Hello, this is Errol and I'm with Legends Realty, and today I'll be showing you the property 14736 Huntley Drive in Orlando, Florida. This home is in the very desirable community of Stoneybrook in Orlando. It comes with great amenities. It's a gated community and hopefully you like it. Let's take a look. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with a screened-in patio. When you first walk in to the right, we have your first guest bedroom. You have a linen closet over here, and then here is your guest bathroom. We have a tub shower combo. And then over to the left of the entrance of the home, we have your second bedroom. We have your your living room and your dining room over there. In the back right, we have your master bedroom. Walk-in closet. And then we also have your master bathroom that also comes with a linen closet on the inside. This one does have a shower. We'll head towards the dining room into the kitchen. We have your pantry over here. We have black appliances. You do have an eat-in kitchen. And there's your 2-car garage past that door there. We have your washer and dryer over here. And then we'll head to the back of the house. Here we have your screened-in patio. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. And I hope you like the property. Have a good day.